We're going to go ahead and graph our inverse function, y equals 1 over x. And we're going to look at the area that's bound by the y equals 0, which is your x-axis, starting at x being 1/3 going over to 6. So that would be this area right here between the 1/3 and the 6. And we're going to take that and we're going to revolve it around the x-axis, which is a horizontal axis of revolution. Whenever you have a horizontal axis of revolution, you want to be dealing with x's here. That means your bounds on your integral need to be your x's. And it goes from 1/3 all the way over to 6, so our lower bound is 1/3. Our upper bound is 6. We need to go ahead and take this area right here and revolve it around the x-axis. Now, that's going to look similar to this shape right here, where it's revolved around the x-axis. The x-axis would be going right through the center here. Now, our radius is going to go from what's on top down to our axis of revolution. In this case, that's on the bottom. So we're going to take what's on top, which is our function, the 1 over x, minus our axis of revolution, which is 0. So it's just 1 over x minus 0, which is 1 over x. We then need to go ahead and square that and work out our integral. So we really have an x to the negative 2, so then we have to increase our exponent by 1. Then we could go ahead and go, well, that's just negative 1 over x, and then we could evaluate that by plugging in our 6 and subtracting what we get when we plug in our 1/3. And so then we end up getting 17 pi over 6.